War day number 574. 574 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Hello everyone, welcome Today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday, September the 20th, 2023, we have here two regular puzzles. And one of them I've already solved, the medium Sudoku. And we have one regular puzzle left, the jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But first let me solve this one, jigsaw Sudoku number 7129. 7129. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 20, so I think it's a 1 star or a 2 stars puzzle. For 1 star I need to be faster than 15 minutes. For 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. The first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here one dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 2, so 2 should be here and 1 goes there. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here one triple box contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, this box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Only one triple box. Quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes? I see here one quadra box. Here also one quadra box. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for 1, and this quadra box should be here. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Okay, here the 2, 3 and 4 could be everywhere, so I cannot mark those numbers. Alright, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or contractions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? Yeah, another one. Mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more here? Another one. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? I see here one T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. We have only one T shape. Then the following shape, how about this kind of shape? Yeah, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These three boxes surround the one can be a 1. So one box left for 1 in this area. Should be there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. Can be 2. We have a 2 in the same area. Can be 3. We have a double 3 there. We have a double 4 there. So one digit left should be the 5. Is connected with that box should be also a 5. Alright. Now. Now. These three boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 5. Those two boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Then these three boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So one box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Well, we have a reflection of the sun. Okay, these three boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These three boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These three boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These three boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5, but also that box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If you place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be a 5, that box can be a 5, but also these two boxes can be a 5. So one box left for the 5 in this W area shape should be here. These two boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, in this area we need a 5, but this box can be a 5 because we have a 5 there, and that box can be a 5. We have a 5 in we have a double 5 in one of those two boxes. Yeah, we have a 5 in these two boxes. Okay, if I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So these two boxes can be 5, but that box can also not be a 5. If I place a 5 here, then these three boxes cannot be a 5. So it's not the solution to place the 5 here. The only place left for the 5 in this area should be here then. These two boxes can be 5, so one box left for the 5 in this area should be here. Then these two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. We have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 in this W area shape should be here. Alright. These two boxes can be 1, so one box left for 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area from us 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area from us 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this W area shape from us 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area from us 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 2 goes there. Then these two boxes can be a 5, so one box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area from us 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. This box can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this triple box for the number 1. Then 3. Come on. Well, we need to think. 24. Okay. Well. Mhm. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, let me mark those. These two boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with 3 as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 and 5, 2 and 5. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be 1, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 3 and 1, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 5 goes there. Alright, and now I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. These two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left with a 2 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Then I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. These two boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left with 1 in this area should be there. This wait. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 5 there. If I place the 5 here, then this box is connected with that box, should be also 5, but we already have a 5 there. So not a solution to place the 5 here. The only place left for the 5 should be here. Okay, and now well, this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, and this box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Then let me think. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be here. 2 numbers left for the quadra box for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Then let me see. Well. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 4. Well. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. So I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 4. Well, we have a double 4 there, so I cannot place the 4 there. The 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. Alright, we go up. Then 2 and 4. This box should be also 2 or a 4 because it can be 1, can be 3, could be a 2, could be a 4, can be a 5. Yeah, 2 and a 4 is also connected with that box, 2 and a 4. So the 3 should be one of those two boxes, the 3. Okay, 3 and a 4. Well, this box can be a 1, can be 2, can be a 3 with a double 3 there, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore, that box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore, that box should be a 3. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore, that box should be a 3. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here and the 2 goes there, 3 and the 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there, 4 should be here and the 3 goes and there. 2 numbers left. Oh, I've marked this box with 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, so this box should be a 2 then, is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright, 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there, 2 should be here and the 4 goes there, 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there, 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow. We solve it again, 60 minutes, yeah, let me give this 2 stars. Not faster than 50 minutes, but it's okay, the time. I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Wednesday. See you later on. Until then, bye bye.